Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. Ministry of Power approves new interstate transmission system projects. PowerMech projects receives letter of intent from BHEL. Updates related to solar projects. Coming to the details. Union Ministry of Power and MNRE has approved new 23 interstate transmission system projects with an estimated cost of 15,893 crore rupees. The new ISTS projects comprises of 13 projects with an estimated cost of 14,766 crore rupees to be developed under tariff-based competitive bidding and 10 projects with an estimated cost of 1127 crore rupees to be developed under regulated tariff mechanism. The new transmission projects would inter alia facilitate evacuation systems for 14 gigawatt of renewable projects in Rajasthan, 4.5 gigawatt of renewable energy projects in Gujarat, 1 gigawatt Neemuch solar park in Madhya Pradesh, and feeding areas near Aknoor and Jammu region by establishing CO substation in Jammu. The above transmission network expansion would augment seamless transfer of power from power surplus regions to power deficit regions and thus optimizing the use of generation resources as well as meeting the demands of end consumers without any transmission constraints. It would assist growth of renewable energy based capacity. PowerMech projects said it has received a letter of interest for projects worth 454.19 crore rupees from BHEL. The first project comprises of balanced civil and architectural works of main plant area and various buildings, watchtowers, patrol roads and drains outside BTG area of Unit 1 and Unit 2 and structural works of Unit 2 at 2 into 660 megawatt Udangudi supercritical thermal power project. The second project involves civil structural and architectural works for flue gas desulfurization system area of 4 into 210 megawatt stage 1 and common system of Kahalgaon super thermal power plant Bihar. Dalmia Cement Limited, which had earlier become first cement company to join RE100, a global collaborative initiative of world's most influential companies committed to 100% renewable power, has committed to 250 crore investment in solar plant to supply power to a planned additional grinding unit in the state. Plant capacity is expected to be between 40 to 50 megawatt. Jammu and Kashmir Energy Development Agency has invited bids to empanel vendors to develop 20 megawatt of grid-connected residential rooftop solar systems in Jammu and Kashmir under phase 2 of the grid-connected rooftop solar program of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. The last date to submit online bids is January 3rd, 2022. Price bids will be opened on January 7th. Additional news today. 51 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 59.9 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 8 days. As per the list issued by Central Electricity Authority, a total capacity of 167 gigawatt in the country had to mandatorily install flue gas desulfurizer and equipment to control toxic emissions of sulfur dioxide from thermal power plants. Flue gas desulfurizations have installed in hardly 2.3 gigawatt with another 67 gigawatt awarding bids for pollution control technology. This leaves a majority of country's coal capacity, nearly 98 gigawatt, have made no move to control its sulfur dioxide emissions, as per the analysis of CREA. ABB India has partnered with Indore Smart City Development Limited to deploy next generation digital technology that enables continuous supply of electricity to homes and businesses. The South Central Railway bagged 4 National Energy Conservation Awards for energy conservation measures being adopted during the year 2021. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 189.90 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 2 rupees 18 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 48 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 5 rupees 16 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 78 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 99 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 7.52 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 3 rupees 88 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.